Okay, so what we've got here, we've just got the opening screen of Atom. All right. Um, Once it's been installed, it says here registers a default Atom. All right. Just say no at the moment to that. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I want to choose a project folder, and we made a folder called Week 3 in the web folder. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go up to File, and I'm going to go to Add Project Folder. And then what you want to do is go through, I'd imagine for you guys it will be on your student drive. For mine it's a wee bit different. And what you're wanting to do is go into your course folder, block 1, web design, week 3, alright? And I say mine's a wee bit different, but I've got my web design folder in week 3. And then what you do, make sure it says week 3 in this bit here, and then click on select folder. Okay. And what you see if it's worked properly is on the left hand side you see your week 3 folder has appeared at the top, and that's us good to go for when we come back from break. Alright. Right, okay, so we've created a workspace. So we've got this project folder over here, and that'll just contain anything we use. At the moment we're not going to bother with pictures, but we'll bring that into it further down the line. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on File and go to New File. In fact, right. If you click on New File, see it brings this up here, which is kind of the same what we've had before. Alright, just a second, just have a wee look. And you get various windows in here. Alright. What we'll do first is, before I get started with it, so you've got Untitled, you see that? I've also got Welcome, and I've got other Untitled stuff. I'm just going to close these other windows that I've got, alright? Okay. So, that's me now, just got Untitled up here and Project there. You got that? Okay. So, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to save the file before I get started. I know that seems a bit odd, but... So I'll go to File and Save As. Okay. And you'll see it should default to the week 3 folder. Yeah, if you okay. So in here, I'm just going to call this index. Now it's important that you follow it at index.html. Okay. Index index.html. Okay. And then just click on save. Now, index is, again, this isn't too crucial at this point, but on a web server, index is the first page that will be read. So for example, any of the websites you go into at BBC, see the homepage, the address of that will be index.html, right? That's always the default. So I'll save there. So you go to the BBC server, right? It'll go bbc.co.uk, and that's all you type in. It's really going to bbc.co.uk/index. Okay. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my doc type tag. Now you'll see, don't be put off by this, it starts to put up suggestions for you. Right? Just ignore that. Yeah, I'll go for it. Okay, is that okay? Right. Underneath that, I'm just going to put in my HTML tag. Okay. What you'll see is the HTML tag will go red. Now, give it a couple of blank lines and close your HTML. No, a couple of blank lines, and then close HTML. Okay. Now, what were the two main bits of the web page I said? So I'm going to type in head. Okay, and I'm going to put in a title. Now, what did I say the page was? It was going to be about us, wasn't it? So I'll just call it a title about me. Alright, end title. Okay, now that's me finished with the head section for the moment. So I'll just slash head, and you'll see that it automatically lines up for you now. Right, it puts it back in line with the head tag above it. See that? Okay, that's okay. I'll be looking a minute, Derry. And then I'm just going to put in body, a couple of blank lines, and close the body. Okay. Now I had decided that back on my screen that I was going to put up a fact sheet about myself. All right. So in order to do the fact sheet, I want a big heading on my page. Remember what the tag was for a large heading? H1, yeah. Okay. So I'm going to put an H1, and I'm going to say fact sheet and H1. Yeah, yeah. Now, what I'm going to do with see the fact sheet, I'm just going to click at the very start of that line. And mine it's line 8. It doesn't matter if yours is a wee bit different. I'm just going to, that's okay, right? So just before that, I'm just going to press tab. The tab key, remember that is the one just to the left of the Q on the keyboard. Just press once. All right. And that just lets you see that H1 belongs inside the body. All right. Now, at the moment, the page isn't going to be brilliant, but it's worth having a look at how it is. So I'm just going to go to File and Save. Okay. Now, in this, I'm going to right click on it, up in index.html. And what I can do here is I can go down. Right, so I'm just going to go up to index.html and right click on it. Yep. And then I'm going to go to Show in Explorer. And what I should see then is that the file pops up here. Okay. So you'll see mine has got the blue E beside it for Internet Explorer. I don't want to use Internet Explorer for this, I want to use Chrome. So, yep, it's okay. Right, so what to do here is right click on index, okay, and go to open with and choose Google Chrome. and you'll see that this pops up here. Okay. So what I'm going to do here, and I'm going to just drag that across the right hand side of my screen and put Atom back on the other side of the screen. So now I can see your font will be a lot smaller than mine. So now I can see it on the left hand side, and I can see this on the right hand side. So I'm just going to come around and check everyone's got that. Okay, just a couple of wee things to show you here, guys. All right, the text on my page is much bigger, so I don't see it all. Just so for demonstration purposes. What you can do is we don't really need a big view of this folder here, so you can go in between and just slide that to give yourself a bit more room to see what's going on in your index page. Alright, so you can slide that. Also, what you could do as well, that wee arrow there, you can use that to hide it, the project, but you can go back over and then click on it to bring it back. Alright, so that's just manipulating your work stuff. So I'm just going to slide that over and give me a bit more room. No, as long as you can see all your code, I'm happy. Alright. So what we've now got is we've got our Atom is where we're creating the code, and Chrome is where we're viewing the code. Alright. So if I quickly look back at my sheet, what I was looking for. So we're going to put in your name, right? So we're going to use the paragraph tag for that. Okay, so underneath fact sheet, I'm just going to say P for paragraph. Now, here's the thing, right? This is important. It doesn't care. HTML doesn't care about the spacings between the tags. So I could put that down there. Makes no difference. I could actually put it up there. It makes no difference, right? However, what I like to do is tab it so I can see the body stuff belongs together, because that's part of the body. These belong, right? But as I say, the computer doesn't care. It ignores blank space HTML. That's how it's programmed. Whereas it's just for ease of us reading it. I like to keep it tabbed in. Okay. So E is just going to be my name. All right. Now, we're just going to get in the habit of using shortcuts. Okay. So to save this page, it's Control and S. Okay. If you're ever wondering where the shortcuts are, if you go to the file menu, you can see the shortcuts are listed just beside the commands. So Control and S is the shortcut. And then if you click on Chrome and click on the reload button, you'll see that your name then appears. Alright. So Control S to save it, and then click on the refresh button of Chrome and your name should appear under there. Okay. Control S is a save shortcut that works in pretty much every piece of major software. Alright. If you're looking for a shortcut to refresh your page, it is the F5 button at the very top middle of your keyboard. That refreshes your Chrome page. So you do. Alright. So I'll put a couple of wee shortcuts up here. So save shortcut is Control S, and Chrome refresh shortcut is the F5 key. Okay, you'll see the F keys are along the top of your keyboard, yes? Right, good. So that's always the refresh. There are other shortcuts that I'll teach you as we go through the course. Alright. So has everyone got fact sheet in their name? Yes, all got that? Anyone not got that? Fantastic. Right, okay. So let's look at this wee sheet again. So underneath that I've got age and nationality. I want these to appear in an unordered list. Now at the start of the class we looked at some tags. Can you remember what the tag for unordered list is? Brilliant. So take a new line and put in the UL tag. And you'll see that Atom helps you out a wee bit because it actually tells you, represents an unordered list when you're typing it in. See that? You can just ignore that as much as you want though. But yes, and it was, what was it, age and nationality, yeah? Okay, take a new line. Now automatically it knows that an unordered list tabs in itself. Do you see that? So what was the, what, how do you put a list item in? Oh, nearly. LI for list item. Okay, LI. And it was age, wasn't it? I said I. So age, 21 again. Ah, I gave away my secrets yesterday, didn't I? LI. What's that? Okay, and the next list item was nationality. Let's get Scottish. And LI. Okay. Sorry, I should really put in nationality Scottish. And again, Control S to save. Click in Chrome, press F5, and you should see that it comes up as it shows on the screen. Now, one wee not mistake, I've got to finish off my unordered list. So I close UL like that. Okay. Yes, British is one. Okay, right. Underneath my closing unordered list, I am going to take a new line and I'm going to put in H2. Okay, and you'll see when I'm typing in H2, it tells you H1 to H6 are the elements, 6 levels of section headings. Okay, and H2, I'm going to put in pages I like. Okay, and again, save and refresh, and you'll see pages I like appears. And it's not quite as big as H1. Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a bit of a combination of tags here. You know, right, so you can get tags inside tags, you've already seen that. I'm going to make another unordered list. Okay, so just make UL, and I'm going to put in LI. Now, at this point, I'm going to put in a hyperlink list item. Right, I'm going to put in a hyperlink. Okay, can you remember last week? I know it was a long time ago. What we looked at in terms of hyperlinks. What was A A href? Ah, yeah, I was involved in it, right? So A for anchor, because you're anchoring to another point. Alright, and again, you see here it tells you your typing creates a hyperlink to other web pages. Href equals, and I'm just going to keep it simple, http www.bbc.co.uk. Okay, I will type in BBC, and then I will put in slash Okay. There we go. Now this line is a tricky line. However, it might make it easier for you to see it like this. Yes, is that a bit easier? Right. You understand it makes no difference to the computer how this is presented. Right. But what we've done here is we've put a hyperlink as a list item in an unordered list. So, I'm going to put another hyperlink in here. I just, underneath that, it's another list item. And enter again, and another hyper reference, href equals http / www dot, and we will go for, we'll just go for Google, alright? You can put in something different if you want, it doesn't bother me. And then end li. Now, don't forget, I have left something open here. Can you see what it is? Brilliant. I've left the unordered list open. A wee clue is I just look up here, and you'll see that in line 15, there's no equivalent. So if I go down here and put in close UL, there we go. Closes it off. Alright. All your tags should be lowercase and apart from the very top one there. Alright. At the moment, what you're really doing is just copying my code, and it's all lowercase at the moment. So far I've shown you tags that work in pairs. Whole thing. I'll have a wee look in a second, alright? So, if you've got a problem with it, you can hold your horses for a second. I'm just going to show you this. So I'm going to show you a tag that doesn't need to be in pairs. And this tag is called the horizontal rule. Anyone want to guess what the tag is? HR, yeah. So put in HR. Okay. Slash at the end. Okay. Save that, and what happens? You get a horizontal rule across your page. Okay. So you should have a page that looks like this. Now I'm just going to show you a couple of wee things to muck about with, and I'll come around and see everyone. In HR, remember last week I talked about attributes and values. So we talked about that wall. Attributes to the wall were height, width, colour. Yeah. So again, this isn't something I would necessarily encourage you to get into the habit of, because we're going to use style sheets for this. But what you can do is you can control the line. So if I put a space in and say width equals, and say I put in, I'll go to 50 px, that's 50 pixels. What is a pixel? Do you know what a pixel is? A dot. Right? It's short for picture element, so pixel px, alright? If I put in 50 pixels and you save it again and refresh it, you'll see that it's a tiny line now. Okay? And that's only 50 dots wide. However, if you change the pixel to a percentage sign, then what you get is it's half the width of the window. Okay? If I stretch it out, the line stretches with it, it's still half the width of the window, but it's in the middle. Okay? One more wee thing I'll show you with this is you can change the alignment of it. You can put it to the left or to the right. So I could say align equals left, and that'll put it to the left of the page. Alright, so that's the first page done. What I'll do is I'm going to come round and see you, okay, and see how you're getting on. Alright.